Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2 made of fischertechnik, based on the TXT controller running embedded Linux, programmed online mode in Python and using a USB camera, 2 touch sensors and 6 legs, driven by 4 motors. And supposed to be powered by a battery pack, but for now only powered by AC adapter. Camera is pointed to a few objects to be captured by OpenCV, which leads to the first focus. Why doesn't it make pictures anymore? Last time I found that there's a problem with the coder. It does work, but not the way it is supposed to. Unfortunately, it lacks a mechanism, so I'm going to add that, hopefully. Other focuses are trying to run a test with Robot Pro, try to control the robot using the default firmware, because it's now on the community firmware, using the default firmware with app on iPad and Android tablet with joystick, and if time permits also some modeling using Blender. We'll see how far we can get. First, software. So let's take a look at that. Right, screen software. As you can see, 2 terminals which go to the community IP address. Well, not exactly correct. Using the community firmware, I can use my own IP addresses, and this is the IP address of this robot. Secure shell, fischertechnik, community, FTC. I just hit enter, and if you see my previous videos, then you know I have on the screen to acknowledge connection, which I did just prior to starting the recording. So what I have to do now, I'm now logged in via both consoles. That is the wrong one. This is the right one. I have to set the date as well, and right now it is 26. Yep, 26. And I'm recording this in the morning. Right. Before running, well, let us run anyway. And then we can see what happens. I can see and you can see, so we. Alright, speed. And here I'm motor running, but no picture taken. And that's exactly what I want to do. Let me also try here, error again. While I have set here the correct IP address, it just refuses to connect. And it is the correct version. Anyway, here is a problem. Let me do something else as well. No. Why isn't this working? That's odd. I had hoped to get line numbers, but it doesn't work. I'm doing something wrong with that. Anyway, if pick is done, well, that's the only thing I get, pick done. If it is still none, give an error. That's what I want to have. So while pick is none, pick is cameraman, pick. So what I want to have is if pick is none, and now I have to keep in mind the number of spaces. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick wrong. Or error. Let's do that. So this one can go. That still doesn't explain why it is wrong, that it is wrong. And let's just no. Better, although I should have quit it because I'm running it over here. Let's see. Oh, that's strange. Really? I get no pick wrong. Pick error. There's no pick error. Only pick done. That means that there should be a picture. Now that is odd. This is going to be very odd. What I can do is write this to oh wait, I'm doing this the wrong way, of course. Print. This is what I should have, not just pick error. Print pick error. Yes, that is what I should do. Strange, by the way, that it doesn't error on it. Okay, for 50. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't grab. It clearly does not grab. So I have lost my ability in this robot to grab pictures of whatever. And the very big question is why? Is this due to upgrading to the standard firmware? No, because that hasn't changed. I have still this community firmware running. That has not changed. So why is there suddenly a picture error? Or is the underlying default firmware acting up anyway? No, because that makes the camera work. This is a mystery. It's a very big mystery. There's no camera, there's no frame grabbed anymore. I can do one other thing. It's Linux after all. Okay, this command needs some explaining. LSUSB is obviously showing a list of USB devices, of which I can't make much sense. Dmessage pipe grab -I camera gives me a summary of all available items in the hardware list with camera with both capital and small print. And that says clearly there's a camera. So the camera is definitely present. So it's not that it can't find the camera. Very weird. What to do about it, if anything, right now. Alright, next. Can I, using the tablets, make a visual on the camera? Well, I've already connected to the controller, and the big question is, will I manage? So let me get rid of this lamp for a moment, hopefully. So once again, using settings, start, and yes, now I get a nice connection. But it's not doing anything. By the way, on the previous part with the Python using the camera, I had forgotten to change from the community firmware interface to the default, this one, but it didn't matter, so it doesn't work anyway. This does work, but only one only one joystick, and and if you can see, I get the gears working here, but only one side. So now it's up for the iPad to see if that is working. I put this one down here. Then I have to prepare my iPad for a moment. Okay, I have to still give him a password, so let me configure that for a moment. Alright, then using my iPad, connected to the controller, again start, an error occurred. This is very typical. Why does the Android get a very good image, and why doesn't it work on the iPad? Because here I have two joysticks. This is very strange. Okay, a short check. Yeah, I am connected. I am definitely connected to the TXT. Once again, the battery is rather low, but that should not matter. TXT status. Timeout. Okay. Connect. Yeah. Well, I know I am connected, but it doesn't do a thing. And that is not nice. So it's a mystery to me why this won't connect and that does connect. Connection, no connection. So this one is a failure, unfortunately. Or can I only connect with one? Let me try that. So I quit that for now. Let's see. Once again, start. Apparently it can only connect to one the camera can only connect to one device. Although right now, okay, let's press stop. This is strange. There's no response. Oh, and the crash. Now I can press start again. Activating camera, and I have camera. So yes, I can only connect clearly. And now you can see these gears running. But that's all. But I have a nice image here as well. Now again, using the Android, probably no connection possible. And it won't do anything. Nope. Okay, so only one thing is possible, but these two are not, the joysticks are not working. So yeah, nice test, but anyway, last time I couldn't get an image, now I can. That's a good result. Right, taking a short look at Blender, I notice, and this is the new version 2.80, that I have a measure tool here. So if I'm measuring, and let me do it again, this is 23 centimeters. It goes without speaking that given the measurements of this one of this robot, one gear is no way close to 23 centimeters. So let me measure something else. This gear is maybe 5 centimeters in diameter, maybe. So over 1 meter. This is far from reality. Okay, another measurement. 43 centimeters. Yeah, right. This, if you meet this robot in reality, it's huge. Absolutely monstrous. So, should I go on modeling this one? Not really. What I should do is select it and then hopefully turn it into the correct measurements, although gaps like these are not making it any easier, let alone this gap. So I should start over, although I've done so much work with this. But it's completely wrong. 4.3 is even too much. It's more like half a centimeter. So yeah, needs to be completely remodeled in the sense of well, size, and then see whatever I can do with it. And that is more than I have time for now. So more of this next time. Okay, so some progress made with Python, although yeah, what's progress? Knowing that it doesn't grab pictures anymore. Progress clearly on tablets, which show that if you have one active, the other one won't do it. iPad versus Android tablet. And some short modeling and measurement in Blender, which show that sizing has gone wrong somehow. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired, or becoming a patron. More information is under this video or in the next segment with a short summary. For now, have a nice day. This is to be continued, and bye bye.